I'm Tina Walia. I'm an image consultant by profession. I'm also a corporate trainer. I came across ICF through a friend who also has been an image consultant and had done this course, and she had benefited greatly and she spoke very highly about the place. So one thing led to another, and I attended a webinar. I think it was in the month of Feb, just about 2 months back, and it was with Honey Good. And when I did attend it, I think I just had to listen to the lady for 5 minutes before I kind of decided that this was it and this was what I was searching for, and I wanted to do this because life coaching was something that had been on my mind for perhaps the last year, perhaps 2 years. I really don't remember exactly now. But having said that, I have been here in this institute, Cocoweave, for the last 5 days, and it has been the most phenomenal experience of my life. I would say I have gained so much insight into my own personality. There are times in our life that we just tend to skim over things that make us who we are really as people. And this course has given me a lot of insight into why I am who I am. And that helps us help unravel our clients' minds as well. So I would definitely recommend CocoWeave for all those who are looking at becoming a life coach as a profession, of course. And the place is full of people who are not just thorough professionals, but extremely warm and hospitable as well. It almost makes you feel like a home away from home. I have made lifelong connections with the people who were doing the course with, so I'm extremely thankful for that. But it would not be enough without thanking Honey Ma'am for being the phenomenal lady that she is. She is par excellence, let me say that. She just walks the talk and leads by example, and she's just so aspirational that hopefully these 5 days and perhaps the next couple of months will help me imbibe everything that I have not just learned from her, but have observed in these last 5 days as well. So, for all those of you who do want to become a life coach, please do join ICF Coco Weave and experience the magic for yourself.